Good morning student. Welcome to the virtual classes of JetKids. Today I am not going to teach you the new topic of Word 2013. I want to explain you the same topics which I have taken because the practicals are there and these practicals are very much important and maybe some of you forgot what the steps are there. So that's why only for that purpose I am going to explain those practicals again once again so that it will be possible for you to recall everything. Okay, good. Next we will see the practicals which we have seen before only. Word 2013, you know Word 2013. Now I am going to explain you the next topic. What is the topic of Word 2013? First practical topic is that finding text. If you want to find any text, any word or any simple phrase or text, if you want to find out that, it is very possible in Word 2013. Okay, if you have a lengthy Word document, in that you have to find only one word. Where is that word? Where is it is repeating? From where we have to capture that? All these things you can find out in finding text. See the steps. Click on the file tab. In that you will get find. In the search box, type the type the text or phrase whatever you want to find, and then go on. Okay, now we will see the practical. See here I have written one paragraph, environmental pollution. Okay, now in this what you have to do, you have to go to the file tab. Go to the file tab. In that file tab you will get find. Okay, this find, you have to click on find. When you will click on find, what will happen? This type of search box will appear. It will appear here. You have to write down the text, whatever the text you want to find, that text you have to write down here. Okay, now what you have to do, when you will write down the text, I have written pollution. See, wherever the pollution is present, it was highlighted. Okay, it was highlighted, and so that you can find out where is pollution written in all over the paragraph. Okay, now next is the text. Whatever the text you want to replace, there is no need to go there. If the text is repeated so many times, you can find out the text like this and you can replace it. Okay, we will see the steps. See, the I went means it is find, file tab. In file tab you will get find before, after find there is replace also. Okay, replace text is written there. I will show you. Find and then replace. Okay, this replace you have to use. When you will click on replace, what will come? Like this dialog box will come. This is your dialog box. Okay, this is your dialog box. This will appear, and in this dialog box what you have to write? You have to write down the word. Find what? You have to find the harm, and you have to replace this harm with danger. Like this you have to do, and then there is no need to find next. Replace. Directly say the replace. What will happen? It, when you will write like this, it will, see, one sec. See here, this harm is replaced with danger. Got it? This harm will replace with danger. This is your finding and replace text. This I have taken before only. This I have taken in your first Word 2013 explanation. Okay, this I want to repeat so that it, if so means if any one of you forgot, it will be possible for them to repeat this. Now we will see our next slide, that is paragraph spacing. I told you about the paragraph spacing also. In paragraph spacing what you have to do, you have to write down the paragraph. Okay, again I am repeating. write down the paragraph, and now if you want to change the spacing you want to change. Okay, where you have to go? See, in file tab you will get, first of all select the paragraph. After selecting the paragraph, see what you have to do. File tab, in file tab you will get the, not file tab, in space page layout. See here, page layout. In page layout what you will get? You will get here spacing, that you have to change. Okay, try to change some points, you will see the change in your paragraph also. Okay, this is your paragraph spacing. Okay, now this is your paragraph spacing. Now what you have to do? By using this we can, means you can add or remove the extra space which is present from left and right side in your Word document. Whatever the extra space is present from left and right side, you can add it or you can remove also. Okay, again you have to go to paragraph, select the paragraph, click on page layout. This is your paragraph. Okay, you have to select that paragraph and then again go to the page layout. See, this is your paragraph. Go here indentation. Okay, when you will go here indent, you have to change these things. Okay, left and right is written here, you have to change the points. When you will change the points, see I have changed the point to 0.2 1.3. have you noticed some changes in the here from left and right side? See the changes, whatever the changes you are doing, the changes will happen in this also. Okay, this is your paragraph indentation. These things I am repeating only for, so that you can recall these things and you have to perform the practicals of these things. Now in our next topic you have to see, what you have to see, only some mail merging is there. I am not going to explain you mail merging in this topic, because before that you have to understood what is internet. When I will explain you about internet, then I will explain you about the mail merge also. Okay, because mailing, you have to know what is mailing, how to do the mail, and all these things are present in internet chapter. So when I will explain you the internet chapter, in that I will explain you the mail merge also. Okay, so I will give you the question answers of this chapter in our next class, and I will explain you how to write down the question answers. Okay, thank you so much for listening. Thank you.